Learning to code, like right now, is more powerful than ever. And I'll give you reasons why to that. I've seen cases where people say, okay, I will start today, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start next week, I'll start by when I have my laptop, I'll start when I've bought a new laptop. What about now? Like, what about starting right now? I'm a man of now. Like, if it's now, it's never. If it's not now, it's never gonna be. So learning how to code now is more powerful than ever. Now, why am I saying this? Let me try to break it down from my own best of my own knowledge. If you start now, trust me, you are getting ahead of 99.9% of people who wants to get started. It is more easy said than done. The only way to do, the only way to know is to do. When you start it, trust me, you're ahead of people who have been saying they want to start. And everybody is procrastinating. I will do this today. I will do this tomorrow. When I move to a new apartment, when I have a better laptop, when I have this, why not start now? Start with what you have. Basically, I'm someone that anything I want to do, whether big or small, I start what I have. Even though it's okay, you have an old system, an old laptop that is not functioning, as long as it's a little bit good in somehow, in some way, just start with what you have. For example, like me, when I started YouTube, I was using my mobile phone up to now to record this video. I don't have it all, but I just have to start. Because you know what? As you progress on the journey, as you climb the ladder, trust me, you're actually walking down this, you're walking up the step to the level you want to be. As you walk the ladder, the more you progress. But if you are waiting until you get the whole thing sorted out, trust me, you will never get started. Andrew Tate said something. The only way to know is to do. It's only until you start that journey, until you start that you want to do, that's when you will see everything. It's just like starting a business. You will not know the whole business hustles. Like you will not know how it will look like until you actually get started. You might have this whole thing painted in your brain. Okay, I will do this, I will do that, I will do that. But when you start the journey, you will see that it's not easy. It's not how you have actually planned the whole thing. So learning to code is powerful more than now. It's powerful now than ever. You can start from the basics. There's so many platforms out there. You can start from W3 schools. That is the most, and it's free. It's free for anyone who wants. Just your time, your dedication, your willingness to learn. That's it. Trust me. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. The market is so huge. In fact, there's so many opportunities out there. As long as you are able to learn, to master, and to know what you're doing with this. Then another platform again to start learning how to code is another free platform is YouTube. YouTube is the most second largest platform in the world that anybody can get started. Whether from data science, web development, software engineering, DSA, whatever you want to learn, YouTube is your one to go place for it. You don't have any reason not to start. You don't have any reason not to start. Another place again, which is not free, is Udemy. You can still start from there. Personally, I started from W3 schools, a website where you can read documentation, try out the practice exercises by yourself. Then from W3 schools, I moved to YouTube. But I needed to get some more quality content. That was when I moved to Udemy. But my foundation was from W3 schools and YouTube before I went to buy a paid course in Udemy. Trust me, you might not have the money, or you might have the money to pay for these premium courses. But trust me, you don't have any reasons not to doubt. The market is there. Okay, you might be asking, if I learn this, is there what? Is still there the market for me to get a job? Of course, the market is there for you. For there is still what? So many open opportunities out there. When you go to LinkedIn, you see so many opportunities. We are looking for these people who are skilled in this area. Trust me, the market is open. No, I have to be plain with you guys. There's so many tech layoffs. There's so many layoffs going on right now in the tech world. Despite these layoffs, I still don't believe that because of these layoffs, anyone should not get into code. No, not at all. Or based on AI, a guy posted, he said programming is dead, software engineering is dead, that AI is taking over so many things. No, 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 no. Not at all. Not at all. I was in school, one of my professors was saying that so many people are afraid that AI will take over their jobs. Trust me, AI is a machine. AI is a computer. AI will not give you a personalized experience. Not at all. It's just like companies are trying to integrate AI when it comes to hospitality. But trust me, AI will not give you the human feeling. AI will not give a personalized experience that you want in whatever area you want. Despite how it has been built, despite the new generation of AI they are trying to build right now, I've forgotten what is being called, but still, it lacks this human feeling. Any article, any content that is being written by an AI, trust me, the moment I read that article, I'll tell that this is an AI, this is an AI written article or content, because it lacks this human connection. Despite the fact that they are trying to build this kind of sense that once used, it will have this sense of human feeling. Trust me, but it still lacks it. Despite anything, despite whatever people are saying that software engineering is dead, programming is dead, that AI is taking over anything. Trust me, this is the best time to learn how to code. Start right now. Start from the basics. Start with what you have. Start with what you have. Let me just say this on the video. When I started learning how to code, I used my phone. No laptop. I was using my phone. I was using this platform called Solo Learn. It's an application. I will just get from my phone, I will do the documentation, then I will use my phone just to keep going. Just make sure that I keep following up. Just make sure that I keep grinding until I get what I want. So there's no room for excuse. It is this or this, nothing else. So trust me, if you're somebody who wants this, keep going. This is the best time to start. I know people who have started programming at the age of 45 years. I've met a woman in her 50s. She started how to code. I met her on X. When you go to X, you see different people giving testimonies. I've met a truck driver who got started as a developer. He said he's tired of his truck driving job and he wants a better life. He got into programming and today he's fine. I've met a cleaner who got into programming too. So there's no excuse in this. The opportunity is wide. It just requires what? Your time, your willingness, your zeal to get started. All right. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment section and I will respond to you ASAP. At the same time, give this video a thumbs up so it will be pushed out for people who are looking for content like this. And if you're a return subscriber, I appreciate you. If you're seeing the video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, support the movement, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks and bye for now. Peace.